Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Vineet and today I will show you how to uninstall Oracle 19c completely from Windows operating system. Let's get started. First step in the process is close all the running instances of Oracle 19c in your system. So I have just one instance running, I will close that one. Next step is close all the services. So go to the services and inside the services search for Oracle. So we have total 4 services running right now. I will close all of them. Has been removed. Next step is go to the program files, search for Oracle. If you have any other program of Oracle, that will also appear over here. So please don't remove that if you don't want to remove it. So in my case, VirtualBox, I don't want to remove the VirtualBox. So I will simply go ahead and remove inventory. Shift delete. Go back to the C drive, go to the users. Inside the users, select the user and search for Oracle. Although the folder is empty, just delete it. Next step in the process is delete the environment path. Search for environment variable. Edit system environment variables. Click on environment variables. Click on the path. And whichever path has Oracle 19c, remove that one. So in my case, the first one is having an Oracle 19c path. I will delete this. Click on OK for all the tabs. Last and the final step is we have to remove the logs from the registry. You can search for registry or you can open the run box and type regedit. It will ask for the UAC control permission. You have to click on yes. Inside the registry, expand the H key local machine option. Click on the software. Search for the Oracle. Now here I don't want to remove VirtualBox because that's a different software I am using. Remaining all the 4 I will remove them. Click on delete button, yes, delete, yes. Inside the same directory, that is H key local machine, expand, go to system, expand current control set. Inside current control set, expand services, and in the services, search for Oracle. So here are the services. So we have to delete each one of them. Alright guys, so we have removed all the services from the registry. After removing all the files and folders from the registry, simply restart your computer once. Once you have followed all these steps successfully, Oracle 19c will be removed completely from your system. If you like this video, click on the like button and do subscribe our channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.